Blackrock Clinic is a 168-bed acute hospital spread over 5 floors. We have 8 operating theatres. We carry out surgery in orthopaedics, cardiac surgery and general surgery. At present in Blackrock Clinic we have a number of opportunities for nursing staff who may be considering working in Dublin, Ireland, returning or visiting for the first time. We are also looking for staff who have experience in high dependency or critical care in the general ward, and we will certainly support them if they have an interest in working in this area.
Our vision is clinical excellence personal care, and this is emphasised from day one when you join this hospital. We are looking for staff or nurses who will, I suppose, embrace these values and understand what they mean in terms of the patient experience here in Blackrock Clinic.
My name is Pramila Gomes and I work in the theatre downstairs in the general theatre, and I have started here in 2005. I work as a scrub nurse, a circulating nurse. I worked in India for a few years. I was in the Middle East after I got married. Then I went back to India once my kids were born, and I got this opportunity. I saw this advertisement in the Times of India that Blackrock Clinic is recruiting staff to come abroad. I read about Blackrock. I learned that it was a leading private hospital which performed high-tech surgical procedures, and being a theatre nurse, that was my line of interest, so I said I should go for it. Being a general theatre nurse, it would involve anything from circulating for the procedures, scrubbing for the procedures, coordinating stuff with all the other member staff, and we have a good team of surgeons and consultants here. We can approach them and discuss anything that is needed, and they are always ready to help us. It's a very positive environment for learning. They are there to help you. Your opinion is valued. It's a small team, very collaborative, and they work together, supporting each other. We have a restaurant in the hospital. We get staff car parking, which is at a discounted rate. The best thing I would say is, apart from Blackrock being a very ideal location, it's a beautiful place to work. And I feel that because of the flexibility in my work, I'm able to get a good balance between my work and my personal life. We have a coffee room which is in the theatre, so I think it's handy, because otherwise we would, even to grab a quick cup of coffee, you feel like having it at any time of the day. So that's, you can sit together. There's a big coffee room down where everybody does have their lunch together depending on their breaks. It's a very safe environment. We work with different types of people. Like in the general theatre, as I told you, we do a few specialities. We do gynae, we do plastics, we do endovascular, we do colorectal, bariatric surgery, general surgery. So I think it's a good variety, and that keeps us going. I think endovascular was very new to me. I had no idea about endovascular at all. And the new hybrid theatre, which is opened in Blackrock Clinic, gave me a wonderful opportunity. We have a great team there, very good consultants, and we work together, helping each other in order to deliver high standards, and finally keeping the patient as the core important person. Yeah, apart from mandatory courses that we have to do every year is the fire training, the hand hygiene, CPR, and manual handling. Time and again, we get in-service training. People may come from outside to train us in equipments. I have been attended through the hospital. I've gone outside and I've done the AO course in order to help me with the emergency department that has been opened recently. And I have also attended seminars and conferences all through the hospital.
So my name is Louise and I work in recovery anaesthetics in theatre. I work in day surgery theatre. On a day-to-day basis, you have your theatre lists, you plan your area for the patients that are coming into your area. On a day-to-day basis, obviously you're looking after patients who are coming out post-anaesthetics, unconscious patients, sedated patients, a whole variety of patients. We look after paediatrics, we look after adults. Our surgeries involve ENT, urology, plastics, dentistry. Blackrock is a really nice place to work in. I've really enjoyed it. I've been here now for 4 years. We have a really nice working environment in day surgery theatre. As I say, we have beautiful views out from our windows. The theatre is a busy theatre. There's a really good bunch of people working. We have a good fun in work. We have a good rapport with our doctors, with our anaesthetists. The work is interesting. Surrounded by the sea. Say it is a very welcoming place. For people coming over from abroad, there's a lot of places around that people can rent and stay and live nearby. It's on a good service, bus service and a DART service, which is our train service, and it's easy accessible as well. Come and join us, it's a nice place. As I say, I can't recommend it enough. We have a happy environment.